Okay, I wanted to upload this video to help you out with the worksheet that I assigned you yesterday, and it was Unit 5A on logs and exponential equations. And with this one, basically what we're doing is condensing and expanding logs. Now, what we've learned to do is expand logs. So we've not gotten to condense, that'll come next week. But I just wanted to review very quickly the properties of logs that we learned yesterday. So the first property was the product property of logs. So these are your properties of logs. So we have the product property of logs. So basically what this tells me is if I have log AB, that's going to be equal to log A plus log B. Okay, so that's just simply what it is. Then we have the quotient property. And so your quotient of logs is just basically if I have log A over B, then that is equal to log A minus log B. And then the last one we have is when we're dealing with the exponents in logs. And that, I think they call that the power property, but basically what you have is if I have log A to the fourth power, I guess I should really use B, let's say B to the B power, then that's going to be equal to B log A. So you just bring that exponent and bring it to the front. We also talked about, like, for instance, if I have a problem, let's just say we have log 2, and then in parentheses, we have x square root y. How would we handle this? If I told you to take this and expand it, how would I handle it? If you ever have a radical, you got to take care of it first. So we've got to convert that radical to exponential. And so anytime you convert exponential, it's going to be the power of the radicand over your index. So if you don't have a power there, it's 1. If you don't have an index, it's 2. So it would just simply be log 2x and then y to the 1/2 power over index. So, like, for instance, had this, let's just say on a side note, not dealing with this problem, if I had y, the square root of, let's say the cube root of y to the 5th power, then to convert that to exponential, it would be y power 5 over index 3. So hopefully that helps you understand, okay? So our first step is take care of the radical first. Next step is to expand it. So log 2x plus log 2y to the 1/2 power. Okay, so now we've expanded it using the product property, and then your last step is take care of any exponents by moving them over. So we don't have an exponent here, so we don't have to do anything with this one. So just log 2x plus, but we do have log 2y to the 1/2 power, so we're going to take that 1/2, move it to the front. So it's going to be 1/2 log 2y. So that's how we would expand it. So that's basically it, expanded. Now I'm going to do some more work with them in the next video, and I'm actually going to work on some of the problems that I assigned you for homework.